everyone. Did you remember it's on the site on the shorts in my channel? I upload one very cute track which designed by OpenSCAD and also printed by our 3D printer. So this track is quite the hands-on, and from now on, I would like to share with you some more the learnings, and this is our new opened the video series. I would like to record and to share with you about this interesting tool called OpenSCAD. So if you have any the experience for playing the 3D printer, you may have multiple tools to make the 3D the model. But this one is I like quite a lot because this not you build the shape for your model, is you use the code to program your 3D model. It's our CAD software, but it's also serve the 3D printing, the modeling purpose. So this is our nice tool. What I want to share with you is here is the OpenSCAD website. We will starting from this website. And also, the first link is my new created our repository in GitHub with the link here. I will also put this link in the comments and this series of videos introduction page. And from here, my plan is first, we will starting the installation, download, install, and configure this tool, and make that is working on your system. I will use Windows 11 to do the video and the demo. But this tool is open source. It can run on Linux, Mac as well. So depends on your workstation, the OS, you can choose the proper one, which we will mention in the following video. And then is from the tool side is there's quite the comprehensive documentation. I will go through this along with the different video. First is the tutorial to finish these 9 the steps, and then also discuss certain things and findings from the user manual. So those are some the standard the documentation from the tool itself. And also I will put this some hands-on exercise based on the Sakidana's the very good book. The book is I have purchased this from the Amazon as well, so you can see here. So within the book is they have every the exercise. They give you the shape in the 3D and also the dimension and the characters for this 3D shape. It's from the simple to complicate. If you practice this from beginning to end, you will accumulate a lot of the tips and also the libraries you can create, and also the sub program code that you can reuse from this. So I will suggest you if you have interest to learn those during those practice, you can also get this book, which is I like this very much. So that is the initial things, and possible during this tutorial and practice videos, we will find some other resources that I will keep adding here. So I hope this will be an interesting journey for you to practice your modeling skill, and also use this programming-based tool to to build some the interesting model that you can print by the 3D printer. It's no need a printer on hand because you can visualize the 3D model within the tool. But if you can export that to the 3D printing, the ready the formats, and you can print that in the hands-on things, then that will be also interesting. So I have quite several the printing things already on hand. So I hope you can enjoy this. And I will keep adding the videos in this video list in my channel. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you later.